How to use Cash App. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App to send, receive, and manage money easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, download and install Cash App from the Google Play Store or App Store. Open it. Now sign up or log in using your phone number or email address. Once you verify your account, you'll be able to access the main dashboard. To send money, tap on the dollar icon in the bottom. Enter the amount and then tap Pay. Next, enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email, and confirm the payment by tapping the Pay button in the top right corner. Now, if you want to receive money, simply enter the amount, tap Request. Here, select the person you want to request money from. Once they send it, the money will appear in your Cash App balance. You can also link your bank account or debit card to easily add or withdraw funds. To do this, go to Settings by tapping the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down a bit, tap on Linked Banks, select Link a debit card. From here, follow the instructions to connect your bank. Cash App also offers a cash card, which is a free debit card that you can use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. You can order it directly from the app. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful videos. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.